jeez. Oh no, what does the yellow computer have for us today?
Horse XP.
Oh, Horse XP. What is that? Oh, guess we'll never know. Just kidding.
Oh, please, not again.
Horse XP.
Petah.
We're installing Horse XP today for some reason. Why? I don't know. The things I do confuse even myself. But we gotta see what it is, right? Surely it's not just regular Windows XP with a horse background, right? Guess we'll see. Get in there. Come on, turn on and boot it. Escape. Escape! Damn computer is too slow for my brain. Go. Was that the wrong... Oh, good. Oh, wow. Wait a minute. Hold on. Hold on.
Petah, the horse is here.
What? Is that a real number? For info, call 010031408854. Hold on, I gotta call this number. I need a phone. I'm recording with my phone. Okay, I truly do not own another camera, so I'm using my iPad to record this. I gotta call this number.
Your call cannot be completed as dialed.
No! I can't contact the people that made Horse XP! My day is ruined. My week is ruined! Make your number available, Disha. I got some questions. Alright, well, I guess let's go ahead and install it. Oh, yeah, there it goes. And it's just the regular Windows XP setup now. And it's gonna take forever because it's running from a DVD because this thing won't boot XP from a USB for some reason. Apparently, Windows XP is just really bad at booting from USB drives, so... Yeah, that's the sound of disk rot. Come on, Lois, go faster. I need you to go faster, Lois.
Holy Petah, oh, I'm going as fast as I can.
Come on, I want my horses. Yes, it's starting Windows. Well, luckily for us, we've already partitioned this disk. I can just go ahead and click install. Yep, leave the current file system intact with no changes. That'll surely not cause any issues. Go! Installing Windows XP. It's gonna be just Windows XP with a horse background, isn't it? I hope there's some horse videos in here. Yay, horses.
Petah.
Good lord! What the hell is that drive doing? Why did it just turn into a straight pipe Toyota Camry at 3 in the morning? I think it's because there's tape on the disc. Come on, yellow computer, you can do it. I know you can go faster than this. You're not that ill. Yet. Why are you spinning the DVD down? Spin it back up, you're not done installing. Done installing when I say you're done. Hey, if you speed up, you'll get medicine. Yeah, I just heard it spin up. It heard me. I'm cutting out I'm cutting that number out. You can't see that. There you go. I'm also cutting this number out. Go out there. No funny numbers on this video. We only get boring numbers like 73. Please wait whilst setup copies files. Oh, finally. 16.exe? What the hell is 16.exe? That implies other numbers.exe exists. It's done. My horses are upon me. Wait, no. Windows XP. Oh, you didn't even replace the boot logo with a horse? Come on, I need horses. This is Horse XP. Aw, man. More setup. More boring, regular setup. I was promised horses. Where are they? I will not go another second without a horse on the screen. Give me a horse. Give me a horse!
Have a horse.
That was very nice of you, yellow computer.
Can I have some medicine?
No. Wow. Okay, I guess I'll be waiting for 35 minutes for just a regular Windows XP installer to do its thing. There better be damn horses inside of the operating system, otherwise I've been scammed. And I'm gonna have to call that number again. Alright, well, time lapse starting now!
Petah, the horse is here.
Oh, it's boot. It's the same. It's just regular Windows XP again. I got a mouse. Please wait. What do you mean? There's more setup? Oh no, it's just loading the desktop. Ooh, I'm excited for horses. Yay, horses. What kind of personal settings does Disha have? Apparently there's the horse again. All right, well, we made it to Horse XP. It is not 1212. All right, what's included with Horse XP? Clearly not graphics drivers, that's for sure. We're running the, is this like the Media Center theme? The Zune theme? What theme is this? It comes with Firefox? How much more does it come with? My computer might be at risk. At risk of what? A horse?
Petah, the horse is here, Petah.
Well, let's take a look around. What's in my documents? I hope there's some horse pictures in here. Nope, it's just the default Windows XP sample pictures. Okay. Horse music? Do you like Beethoven's symphony? Okay, no horse music. I am severely disappointed. Are there any horse videos? No! I've been scammed! Is this the only horse thing that's on here? It's gonna be a short-ass video if that's the case. Alright, my computer. Not even a horse theme? Why is it detecting a USB video device? What? What the f***? What? How is it detecting the camera but not audio drivers? God, this is the worst camera I've ever seen. Get this out of here. Okay, what else is on here? Yeah, it detects the disc. Is there anything I have to like install afterwards? Come on, open it. Whoa, learn more about the setup process. Step by step, setting up Microsoft Windows XP. All right, no thanks. We already know how to do that. Well, that's so fun, isn't it? What else is on here? No. Apparently nothing. Is it just Windows XP with a horse background? What did I just install on here? Okay, let's go to the start menu. Boy, I sure hope there's some more programs on here. Do we have any games? Nope, it's just the default Windows games. Default Windows programs. WinRAR is on here for some reason. Nothing in the startup menu. All right. Okay, well, are there any, like, fun themes? We got Royale, the regular Windows XP theme, and the Windows Classic theme. What? What? I can just download a picture of a horse and put it on the background. Okay, we'll go back to Royale. Is that the name of the horse? Or is that the name of this theme that they just didn't rename it and put a horse on it? Well, I don't really know what to do on here now. Huh. Horse XP. Okay. Good news. While editing this, I've discovered that there's more than Horse XP has to offer. Let's get it started up. I installed a whole virtual machine for this. There's the horse again. Boot from the hard drive. Do it.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
All right, that's one thing. But wait, there are supposedly more backgrounds. Where are the horses? Is that okay, it's the same horse, but zoomed in a bunch. There's some tigers. Oh, pretty butterflies. It was really worth the extra 15 minutes it took to install this in a virtual machine. These are not horses. This is Horse XP. Why are they not horses? A duck? Is that a duck? Is that we'll find out later. I don't know. I'm not a scientist, but I think I might be able to say that these are not horses. Oh, that's a horse. It's a little too close to the camera. We get any more horses? No. Yeah, that's Horse XP. It includes a total of 2 horses. That's it. Okay, back to the video. Well, I guess we should see if it can, like, play a game. Let's see if we can play some horse games on here. Oh my god, what is my life? Okay, it's horse gaming time. You can say we're gonna do a little horsing around. Also, you may notice that we are now on Windows 10.
Mark Zuckerberg! See?
Unfortunately, Windows XP and horse games are just not meant to be, because this computer does not have graphics drivers for Windows XP. We're just gonna pretend that this very bare install of Windows 10 is our lovely install of Horse XP. See, it's perfectly faithful. Ready for horses. We got some of the highest quality horse games here. I'm ready to horse around. Starting with Horse Racing 2016. Judging by its really good Steam review, I'm sure we're in for a world of fun. That is the friggin' most horsiest music I've ever heard. I'm primed for horses. I'm ready to have a horse in... Wait, no. Okay, start a new game. I want to race my horse. Welcome to the ultimate... Oh, didn't have time to read that. To win, you have to top all of the seasons. Press PlayStation controller cross button to continue. Huh? What do you mean? Okay, well, I guess we're gonna guess what button it is. Okay, it was space. Cool. What is my horse's name? Horse. Jockey's name. Bob. Next. Oh, I can select my horse? I can see we've got the standard horse idle animation of scraping the floor. every 1 second of its existence. Dude, this horse is not gonna have a hoof by the end of the day. My horse's name is my horse. Wait, I thought I named it. This blue guy looks interesting. How about him? Oh, hell yeah. What do I do? What is the even... Oh, oh my god, that scared me. What do I do? What? Why is he so slow all of a sudden? How do you control this? I'm gonna press every button on the keyboard and we'll see what button is the whip button. I think it's impossible to whip. You can't whip. Good game. You cannot oh, what the hell? What did I press to make it work? Was it Alt? What the hell? It's right control. What is this control? Oh, I'm definitely losing now. What if I just spam whip? This is like animal abuse. This poor horse. Oh, I finished. Wow, what a surprise. I lost. Oh, great. I've got an achievement. This is gonna be on my permanent Steam record now. Okay, I've had enough of this game. No more. I sure do hope Flappy Horse is of the same or better quality. Judging by whatever that was, I don't know about that. What was that? What were those? What is the rating of this? Oh, it's positive? Huh? At least it has mouse support. I did not click anything. I didn't click it. What? It died? I clicked over here. There's nothing over here. Okay. How do I... you know what? We don't even know how to play. I'm clicking start game. Do you just play with the mouse? What the f is that thing? What hell spawn on earth is this game? I want to know what demented individual did the art for this too. Amazing game. Are you sure you want to quit the... Yes. She be Flappy on my horse till I sugar cube. I couldn't have said it better myself. Amazing game. 10 out of 10. All right. Horse XP. That's it, I guess. It's just Windows XP with a horse. Amazing. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, give it a like. If you want to see more, subscribe. Check out my other channels. And big thanks to my Patreon members scrolling over there. And thank you for watching. Oh, and I guess you probably expect a song for the end of the video. So f it, you're gonna get an old song that I made with all the instruments replaced with horse sound effects. Enjoy. Bye. Yeah, the amount of times I've said horse in this video, it should be a drinking game, but don't actually do that because you'll die.